The Expert Series is brought to you by Draw It Paint, the dry erase paint company that allows you to create the exact space you want. Our products are designed for performance, engineered for durability, and manufactured for quality. Draw It Paint's 3 formulas will allow you to reach every possibility. Behold your best work.
Now, the WGR Academy, is that your goal out of it, to create more leaders, or can you tell us a little bit more about it?
No, my goal, that just happens to be part of the side of it. The goal with the WGR brand is to make a difference. So when I was probably about 31 or 32, I can't remember the age now, I used to tell everyone, hey, I was financially free by 31 and miserable by 32. I just wasn't happy, wasn't fulfilled. And that's a lot of people are missing that today, and they're always on social media or their text message or their email trying to get that fulfillment, right? And a friend of mine passed away. He was 39. He had stomach cancer. And so within 4 months, he was diagnosed until he died. And it really slapped me upside the face. Said, hey, Colton, you're going to fucking die one day. Between now and then, what do you want to experience? And I asked myself, what do I want to do before I die? And the first answer for me was, I want to be healthy. Like, I truly want to be healthy. And so I got that. And then as it developed, and it said, okay, before you die, what do you stand for? What's your message? And it became very simple. It's just to make a difference. Make a difference first for myself. Make a difference for my daughters, number 2, then number 3, make a difference for my organization, then my community, and then the world, and then it can grow. And the best way to make a difference is by becoming the best version of me. And then when I do that, social media has become a platform to be able to share my message. Here's the challenge with social media today, though, is people want to get their message out. They're just not fucking clear on their message. And so they're coming across as false or not genuine. I mean, look at people today with their social media. Is it so fucking edited? It's so in fact, I think that's the future of social media. Like, think about, we'll use The Rock as an example again. How often do you see The Rock just hold up his phone and just start fucking talking to people? Like, that's what he's becoming, who he is in that moment. And we're going to see more and more of that happen because that's what people want. They crave that authenticity. And unfortunately, so many people, they don't get that. They're disconnected from that. They think that the result is followers and money and the fame. And so they're willing to go rent a Lamborghini to take a picture in front of it and try and sell a fucking training program when they themselves haven't even fucking produced the results. You follow what I'm trying to say here? And so you've got to come from that space of authenticity. And the reality of it, authenticity only comes from experience. And experience only comes from fucking making mistake after mistake. Here's what happens when we make a mistake. You either can say, hey, listen, I'm going to get up, dust myself off, I'm going to correct and continue to move forward. Or unfortunately, the way we've been programmed from Culturescape today is we beat ourselves up. We feel disappointed. We become irritated. We become frustrated, and we become upset or defeated because we didn't get the results we were expecting. Truth is, your plan is going to get fucked up. And when we can start to see the fuck ups as the gift, then all of a sudden it shifts. Our whole experience changes from frustration and irritation to a blissful unsatisfaction. Bliss because it becomes fucking fun as shit, and unsatisfied because we want to create more, we want to be more, we want to do more, we want to experience more. Progress equals happiness.